Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 11. So we're getting near the end now. These last modules, so 11, 12, 13, are like our last big push of content. So this module is a little longer. Make sure you take your time and start or on it early, I mean. This module, we're talking about the ER verbs and IR verbs. So in modules 9 and 10, we did the AR verbs. This is the other type of verbs. And then we also will have information questions. So the last modules, we had the yes, no questions. These are the information questions, like who, what, when, where, how. So make sure you go through all of the readings and the videos for that. Again, we have the information about the final project. Again, I don't want you to start on the final project. We still have one more topic in module 12 before you can start on that. But again, I just want you to think about it because I don't want you to get to the end and then say, oh, I have nobody to film with. Make sure you know who you're going to film with. Okay. And then, so we have the assignments like always. So we have the homework packet, the speaking assignment. There's two parts to the speaking assignment. You're going to answer questions first and then ask questions. So make sure you answer both parts or that you do both parts. And then the quiz like always. Let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.